In the vast expanse of our solar system, far beyond the terrestrial embrace of Mars, lies Saturn, a celestial titan adorned with a crown of ethereal rings. It is a gas giant, a swirling vortex of hydrogen and helium, devoid of a solid surface upon which one might tread. Yet this enigmatic world beckons us to imagine, what would it be like to experience a day on Saturn? Saturn's grandeur is immediately apparent. It is the second largest planet in our solar system, a colossal sphere dwarfing our own planet. Its iconic rings, composed of countless icy particles, encircle the planet in a mesmerizing display of celestial mechanics. But beneath this ethereal beauty lies a dynamic and turbulent world, shrouded in a thick atmosphere that holds secrets waiting to be unveiled. To comprehend a day on Saturn, we must first discard our earthly notions of sunrise and sunset, for on this gas giant, there is no solid ground upon which to stand and witness such events. Instead, a Saturnian day is defined by its rotation period, the time it takes for the planet to spin once on its axis. Determining the exact length of a Saturnian day has proven to be a scientific puzzle, one that has intrigued astronomers for decades. Early observations from the Voyager spacecraft hinted at a rotation period of roughly 10 hours and 40 minutes. However, subsequent data from the Cassini mission, which orbited Saturn for over 13 years, revealed a more accurate measurement. By meticulously analyzing subtle waves within Saturn's rings, waves intricately linked to the planet's gravitational field, scientists refined the rotation period to approximately 10 hours, 33 minutes, and 38 seconds. This means that a day on Saturn is significantly shorter than a day on Earth, a testament to the planet's rapid rotation. Imagine, if you will, a world where day and night cycle at an accelerated pace, where the sun, a distant ember in the sky, would appear to rise and set in a matter of hours. Such is the nature of time on Saturn, a world perpetually caught in a celestial waltz. Saturn's atmosphere, a swirling tapestry of pale yellows and golds, is a far cry from the life-sustaining blanket that envelops our own planet. Composed primarily of hydrogen, around 96%, and helium around 3%, with trace amounts of other elements like methane, ammonia and water ice, Saturn's atmosphere is a hostile and unforgiving realm. The composition of Saturn's atmosphere contributes to its distinctive pale yellow hue, a result of sunlight interacting with the trace amounts of ammonia crystals present in its upper layers. These crystals, suspended high above the planet's depths, form a veil of clouds that obscures our view of the depths below. As we descend deeper into Saturn's atmosphere, the pressure and temperature increase dramatically. The once wispy clouds of ammonia crystals give way to thicker, denser layers, possibly composed of ammonium hydrosulfide or even water. Here within this swirling vortex of gases, the true nature of Saturn's atmosphere is revealed. Saturn's atmosphere is a realm of perpetual motion, a tempestuous symphony of swirling clouds and powerful winds. Jet streams, those rivers of air that snake across the planet's face, whip around Saturn at astonishing speeds, reaching up to 1,600 feet per second or 500 meters per second near the equator. To put that into perspective, the strongest hurricane winds on Earth pale in comparison. These powerful winds, driven by the planet's internal heat and rapid rotation, sculpt Saturn's atmosphere into intricate patterns of bands and zones. These bands and zones, visible even from Earth through telescopes, are regions of varying cloud heights and compositions, each telling a story of the dynamic forces at play within Saturn's atmosphere. Storms, some larger than our entire planet, erupt within Saturn's atmosphere, fueled by the planet's internal heat and the constant churn of its swirling gases. One such storm, known as the Great White Spot, appears periodically, a colossal tempest that can rage for months, leaving its mark on the planet's atmosphere before fading back into the swirling chaos. Imagine, if you will, a hypothetical descent through Saturn's atmosphere, a journey into the heart of this gaseous giant. As you plunge deeper into Saturn's embrace, the pressure and temperature would increase dramatically, the once distant hum of the wind transforming into a deafening roar. Visibility would decrease, the once distinct bands and zones of Saturn's atmosphere blurring into a swirling kaleidoscope of colors. Lightning, more powerful than any terrestrial thunderstorm, would illuminate the sky, brief flashes of brilliance against the backdrop of perpetual twilight. The air, thick and heavy with the scent of ammonia and other trace gases, would make breathing impossible. The temperature, initially frigid, would rise steadily, the increasing pressure compressing the surrounding gases and generating heat. As you descend deeper, the line between atmosphere and the planet's interior would blur, the once gaseous hydrogen and helium transitioning into a strange, fluid-like state. While Saturn's atmosphere may seem like a chaotic and unforgiving realm, it is also home to breathtaking displays of celestial beauty. At the planet's poles, auroras similar to Earth's northern and southern lights dance across the sky, painting the upper atmosphere in shimmering hues of green, red and blue. These auroras are caused by charged particles from the Sun interacting with Saturn's magnetic field. As these particles rain down upon the planet's poles, they collide with atoms in the atmosphere, energizing them and causing them to glow. Beyond the visual spectacle, Saturn also emits a symphony of radio waves, a celestial chorus that has intrigued scientists for decades. These radio emissions, first detected in the 1950s, are thought to be generated by processes deep within Saturn's interior, possibly linked to the planet's magnetic field. Like Earth, Saturn experiences seasons, a testament to the tilt of its axis. However, due to Saturn's much longer orbital period, a year on Saturn is equivalent to 29.4 Earth years. Each season on this distant world lasts for over 7 Earth years. During a Saturnian summer, the planet's northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun, bathing it in relatively more sunlight. Conversely, during a Saturnian winter, the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun, plunging it into a period of prolonged darkness. These seasons, though subtle compared to those on Earth, are thought to influence Saturn's atmospheric dynamics. For example, some scientists believe that the Great White Spot, the massive storm that periodically erupts in Saturn's northern hemisphere, may be linked to the planet's seasons, forming during the summer months when the hemisphere receives more solar energy. A day on Saturn, then, is a far cry from the familiar rhythms of our own planet. It is a world of swirling clouds, tempestuous winds and extreme temperatures, a realm where day and night cycle at an accelerated pace and where the Sun is a distant ember in the sky. Yet, despite its alien nature, Saturn remains a source of wonder and awe, a testament to the diversity and grandeur of our solar system. Its swirling atmosphere, adorned with bands of colors and punctuated by colossal storms, is a reminder of the dynamic forces at play within our universe. Its ethereal rings, a celestial ballet of countless icy particles, captivate the imagination and inspire us to explore the cosmos. And so, as we gaze up at this distant world, let us marvel at its beauty, contemplate its mysteries, and continue to explore the vast and enigmatic expanse of our solar system, searching for answers to the questions that have captivated humanity for millennia.